Currently, if you drive between Mumbai and Bengaluru, it will take you about 18 to 19 hours, give or take some time depending on where in the two cities you are, of course. From Pune, it's about 15 to 16 hours. But once this whole project is ready, Bengaluru-Pune will take just 7 to 8 hours, and this stretch will connect to the Mumbai-Pune Expressway, so another 2 hours to reach Mumbai. This is a huge reduction in time connecting India's financial capital and India's IT capital. And of course, both Bengaluru and Pune are IT hubs, so this will enhance travel between these two cities. So let's take a look at this project in a little more detail. The Mumbai-Bengaluru Expressway will be a 700-kilometer long and an 8-lane greenfield expressway which is being constructed by the National Highway Authority of India. This will fall under the second phase of the Bharatmala Pariyojana and will run parallel to NH48, which currently connects the two cities. The total cost is about 45,000 crore rupees as per current estimates. Let's take a look at the route map. It starts at Bangalore Satellite Ring Road and goes to Tumkur, then to Chitradurga to Davangere, which is the stretch that's been done right now, then Koppal, Gadag, Balkot, Belagavi, Sangli, Satara, and then ends at the Pune Ring Road. The expressway will also connect to other road networks at 22 locations. It will have 2 emergency airstrips in Pune and Bengaluru, 55 flyovers, plantations on both sides of the expressway, and it will cross about 10 rivers. Currently, some sections of the existing highway get submerged during monsoons, affecting travel. The new expressway will be designed in a way that no section is flooded at any point in time. With a planned width of 100 meters, it will be wider than the current Mumbai-Pune Expressway. This is one of India's most awaited expressways. Not only will it ease commute between key cities, it will also boost the real estate and economic sectors where it's coming up. It will also grant better access to pilgrimage sites like Shirdi in Maharashtra. So when will this project actually be completed? Right now, just 72 kilometers of the 700 is actually complete. Work is underway on land acquisition and environmental reports and clearances in multiple stretches. The project is expected so far to be completed by 2028.